Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. So in this video I will tell you that how to join a Facebook group. So before starting the video I want you guys to watch this video until the very end and make sure to like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tips and tricks like this one. So first of all you need to open up the Facebook application on your Android and iOS, and once you open up Facebook here, then you need to tap on your profile image at the top right here, and then you will see this kind of menu. Okay, so here if you scroll down you can see this option where it says groups, so just tap on this, and now here it will show you multiple groups. Okay, so if you tap on your groups, then it will show you those basically groups that you have joined, and then if you tap on discover here, then it will show you multiple other groups. So let's suppose that if I wanted to join this group here, I will just tap on this join option, and now what this will do basically, if the admin of this group have set up some questions, so I have to answer that questions basically. Okay, so I will just tap on the group here, and what I can do here, that I can just view it right now. So just view, it's a public group, and now I have joined this group. Okay, so if I go back here and if I just uh, uh, like tap on any other group here, like this one here, here it says join group, so just tap on this one, and here you can see that it's also a public group, so I have now joined this group. Okay, so that's how to join a group on Facebook. So guys, if you find this video useful, kindly like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tips and tricks like this one, and I will see you in the next video.